Okay, boys and girls, for this video you will need to have a crayon. So go ahead and pick whichever crayon you want and then get ready to do some math with me. Let's look at number 1. For number 1, we need to count the ducks and we need to draw counters to show how many ducks. Now they've kind of done it for us with dotted lines and outlines, but we still need to do these for practice. So let's count the ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 ducks, and you do not need to write the number 10. I just did it to kind of remind us of how many we have. So how many ducks did we have? Did I just write up here? We have 10. How many circles am I going to draw here? I'm going to draw 10. And why am I drawing 10 counters? Because I have 10 ducks, right? So let's draw them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 counters. Good job. Let's look at this next one. I always change my color just to show you which one we're on, but you can leave the same color. Let's look at number 2. Let's count our brown ducks. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many ducks did we have? We had 10 ducks. So how many counters are we going to draw? We are going to draw 10 counters. Why are we drawing 10 counters? Because we have 10 ducks and we draw 1 counter for each duck. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead and pause the video and do that, and then you can resume it when you're ready. I'm going to go ahead and erase mine, so make sure you have what you need. Okay, I'm going to the next page, and we have more ducks, just different colors. Let's look at number 3. Number 3. How many ducks do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 ducks. Remember, when we write 8, it's an S and come back straight. That is how we write an 8. Now, we are going to draw how many counters? We're going to draw 8. Why are we drawing 8 counters? We're drawing 8 counters because we have 8 ducks. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice work. If you need to pause the video, go ahead. And we're going to do number 4 together. How many white ducks do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many ducks? 10 white ducks. So how many counters are we going to draw here in our 10 frame? We're going to draw 10 counters. Why are we drawing 10 counters? We're drawing 10 counters because we have 10 ducks, and we draw 1 counter for each duck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead and pause the video until you get this finished. I'm going to erase it so we can go to the next page. Do you remember what the last page is usually called? It's usually called the independent practice. And what does independent practice mean? It means I tell you what to do, but you try to do it by yourself. So let's look at number 5. Number 5, and I'm going to switch to green to match our birds. Number 5, you are going to count the green birds, and then you are going to draw the number of counters to match the number of green birds. Go ahead and pause the video and do that. Okay, let's look at number 6. Did you notice I only told you one time what to do in number 5? That's because you have to keep your listening ears on, because I shouldn't have to tell you a bunch of times. Look at number 6. Number 6, we have blue birds. You are going to listen. Here's the directions. You are going to count the number of blue birds and then draw counters out here to show me the number of blue birds. Go ahead and pause the video and do that. Look at number 7. Number 7, you are going to count the number of tan birds. You are going to count the number of tan birds, and you are going to draw the same number of counters out here to match that. Go ahead and pause the video and try to do it. Okay, look at number 8. Number 8, you get to make a decision here. You get to draw either 9 or 10 birds. So, do you want to draw 9 birds or do you want to draw 10 birds? Whichever you decide, you need to draw that number of counters out here. Go ahead and pause the video and make sure you have this page completely finished, because we are going to get ready to check it here in a minute. Alright, look at number 5. Now I'm going to go through these really fast because you should already have them finished. We are just checking it to make sure that they're right. Let's use a different color than our birds so we can see them. And let's count our green birds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many birds do we have? We have 10. How many counters are we going to draw? You should have drawn 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Notice I only put one counter in each block, even though I'm making them small, because only one goes in each section of our 10 frame. Okay, let's look at our blue birds. How many did you get? See if you get the same number I do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 blue birds. How many counters did you draw? You should have drawn 9 counters. Something like that. Left one square blank. Okay, let's look at number 7. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 birds there. And so I am going to draw 10 counters. Okay, there are 10 counters. Now, number 8, we're not going to check because number 8, it was your decision whether to draw 9 or to draw 10. So I will check that one at school, and I look forward to seeing all of your great math that you have done. Have a great rest of your day.